This question, I believe, is trying to test your knowledge of two different things. First off, it wants to know if you understand how function notation works. So h of x, h parentheses x, we call that h of x. That's function notation. And what it's asking us to do here, it says, how can h of 15 be evaluated? It's asking you to substitute in 15 for x. Okay, so that's the first thing I think it's testing you on. The second thing is that it wants to see if you know what this exponent of 2 is on. And what I mean by that is some students might believe this is 1/5 x to the second power, which that is not correct. This is 1/5 times x to the second power. So that might sound the same, but what I mean is the exponent of 2 is only on the x. You have x to the second power, and then you're multiplying that times 1/5. So what you're doing, let me write this down, is for h of 15, you're plugging in 15 for x. So you would have 1/5 times 15 to the second power. Now, if you're evaluating this, you would do the 15 to the second power first. So you would do this, then you would multiply that times 1/5. So if you look at the answers here, A says by multiplying 1/5 by the square of 15. So I guess I also could say they're testing to see if you know what the square means. And the square just means something to the second power. So multiply 1/5 times the square of 15 is the correct answer. Just real quick to look at these other ones. B says by multiplying the square of 1/5. Nope, we're not squaring 1/5. We're only squaring the 15, so it's not that. And then C says by multiplying 1/5 by the square of 15, then dividing by 15. I don't know what the heck, where that came from. No, it's clearly not that. By multiplying the square of 1/5 by the square of 15, again, we're not squaring the 1/5. All right, so hopefully that helps. Keep it up, and you will master the math.